spices that will help make you well. Allspice contains compounds with anti-inflammatory effects. Allspice, named for its aroma which resembles a blend of cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg, is derived from the dried berries of the Pimenta dioica tree native to the Caribbean, Central America, and Mexico. Beyond its culinary uses, allspice is known for its medicinal properties, including its anti-inflammatory effects. Health benefits of allspice. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Allspice contains eugenol, a compound that has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This can be beneficial in reducing inflammation related to various conditions like arthritis, asthma, and cardiovascular diseases. 2. Antioxidant effects. The spice is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. 3. Digestive health. Allspice has been traditionally used to improve digestion, alleviate bloating and gas, and treat other gastrointestinal issues. Eugenol, one of its main components, can also help reduce nausea and indigestion. 4. Antimicrobial properties. It also has antimicrobial properties that can help fight certain bacteria and fungi, contributing to better oral health and helping prevent infections. 5. Pain relief. Due to the presence of eugenol, allspice can act as a natural pain reliever, particularly for dental pain and muscle pain. How to use allspice. Culinary uses. Allspice is versatile in cooking and can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. It's a key ingredient in Caribbean jerk seasoning and is also popular in baking, in sauces, and in pickling. Tea. Allspice can be made into a tea, which is believed to help with digestive issues and reduce bloating. Essential oil. Allspice essential oil, derived from the berries, is used in aromatherapy and can be applied topically when diluted to alleviate muscle pain and for its warming properties. Considerations. Allergic reactions. Some individuals might be allergic to allspice, with symptoms ranging from skin reactions to respiratory issues. Pregnancy and nursing. As with many spices, there is limited research on the safety of allspice in medicinal amounts during pregnancy or breastfeeding. It's best used in culinary amounts, and to consult a healthcare provider for medicinal use. Medication interactions. Due to its eugenol content, allspice could potentially interact with medications, especially those that slow blood clotting, anticoagulants, or are involved in pain management. Allspice is a beneficial spice that not only adds a unique flavor to meals, but also offers various health benefits, especially for its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties. However, as with any herbal supplement or a significant dietary change, it is wise to consult with a healthcare provider, particularly if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. This ensures you can safely enjoy the benefits of allspice in your diet. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of the Good Life with Spice healthcare remedies. Also visit our website at www.orangeblackmuseum.com.